Sometimes in our life, a situation comes when we want to do something from our heart, but our parents want something else, and we don't want to hurt them also. Then our parents' opinions become like, we don't support you in what you want to do. Yes, if you do what everyone is doing, then there is full support from us. For example, suppose your parents are telling you, you have to get admitted to IIT. Do prepare for it properly. As soon as possible, get admitted into a coaching institution. And on the other hand, you are saying, I have no interest at all in IIT. I have a creative mindset. I want to do something creative. I want to do fashion design. You stand on your decision and your parents also do the same. And civil war gets started. What will you do in this situation? Conflict has been created. Battle has been already started. Mind it, here battle means mental battle, not physical. So what will you do in this battle? Because this is not a fight in which your opponent is someone whom you don't know. Here your opponent is those two persons whom you love more than anyone in this world. That is your parents. Those people who are expert in emotional forcing. Would you surrender in this situation? No, it is never right to surrender. Because see, what our parents ultimately want. They just want us to be happy. Now suppose, according to your parents, you go for IIT and become frustrated about your life. So now you will start cursing them in your mind, and after some years you will be cursing them in front of their face. There are so many people who fail in their life and blame their parents for this. They don't think that they have failed because of in the past they had surrendered from following their heart. It is not their parents' fault only. So you should never surrender. There are only two big decisions in life. One is career and another is relationship. If you have not taken any of these two decisions based on your own wish, your own responsibility, then what have you done in your life? Tell your parents that I am never ready to give my life steering to any other person's hand. In this situation, you need to follow the path of Gandhiji. Non-cooperation movement, a peaceful fight. You told your parents, you are not supporting me in what I want to do. Okay, no problem, it's your choice. But I will also not support you in which you wanted to be done by me. See, your parents always wants good for you. They are not supporting you in any work, that simply means they think that the work is not good for you. Because currently they cannot find any confidence in you or any good side of the work. So in this situation, you need to collect more knowledge about the work which you want to do. Good side, bad side, scope in the future, all in details. Sometimes it happens that even we cannot be sure about success in the work which we want to do, and only on those works our parents don't support us. Because they never want to see us in any troubles. So whatever you want to do, you have to study on that so much that the confidence about this work's success can be seen in your eyes. And the day when your parents will see that confidence in your eyes, they will motivate you to do that. So you just need to gain that confidence. Now the last stage. Suppose you stand on your decision and your parents at last support you and you go to complete the course on fashion design. First year passed, second year passed, in the third year you get failed. What you will do then? You went there thinking that something good will be happen with you. But instead of that, something bad happened with you. So now who is responsible for this failure? That is you, only you. Here you will need to have enough courage inside you to take the responsibility of your failure. Think it once deeply. How much does failure matters really? You have failed only in a work not in whole life, so what does it matter? At least what was coming from your heart you have done. That's enough. That's a big thing, you know. There will be no anxiety for the rest of the life in you for that work. And even after failing so many times, when you will stand up again in your life with your own responsibility, just imagine what you will become then. Now what about the parents? Whenever they are in life, two options come. One is to be a good son or daughter, and the another one to be a happy person. It is always better to choose to be a happy person. Because if you can become a happy person, you will automatically become a good son or daughter. Because when your parents will see you to be happy all the times with your work, they will also become happy with you. Thanks for watching this video. You can also share your own life problems with me by commenting below, or you can inbox me on my Facebook page. The link is given below in the description. I promise to try my best to help you. I will be back on the next Sunday with another useful topic. Till then, stay positive, stay motivated, and keep loving your parents. Thank you.